It's Miss Jocelyn here at the Lyon Township Library. How are you? Very good. Miss Lissa's here too. She's going to be typing and responding to anything you guys have to say. Let's see. Miss Lissa, can you tell if anybody is? I'm assuming nobody is on.
Not yet.
No.
I'm trying to see if it'll let me comment as, the page and not just you. Captions are auto-generated. That's nice. Please load. There we go. Nobody's commenting yet.
Can you make a comment so that I can
Yeah.
see whether it? So this is our very first Facebook Live. So we're still learning exactly how it works.
There's the delay.
Sounds like a pretty significant one. Okay, well, it looks like I have 4 viewers, so happy to see you. Why don't we start with The More We Get Together? Ready? The more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Oh, good job, guys. Give yourselves a hand. All right. How about, I thought today we would read The Nature Girls. And it's by Aki. Published by Godwin Books of Henry Holt and Company, New York. So there's our Nature Girls. And I think I'm going to get a little closer to the camera so that I'm not stretching my hands out quite so much. All right, friends, here we go. So we've got all of our nature girls. We've got Laura and Miffy, Annie, Rebecca, Jane, Vanessa, June, Melanie, Sarah, Kathleen, Lucy, Zoe, Kirsten, Tilly, Joy, and Emily. Lots and lots of nature girls. We're the Nature Girls. We must explore, we pack our badges, we're out the door. And off we go. There's much to see. We'll start our journey by the sea. Miss Lissa, could you turn the light on for me?
Yes.
Nope, not that one, the big ones
The
up on
big
top.
ones. Okay, I'll go do that.
Thank you. This looks like a fun place to be. I would like to be by the sea, wouldn't you? There we go. Now we can see a little better. See is a funny word. It can mean more than one thing. We could see with our eyes, and there can be a sea like the ocean. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Lissa. A pod of dolphins swims nearby. The fish come too. We all say hi. Can you wave at the fish? Hi, fish. How many dolphins are there? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I get them all? 6 dolphins. Yeah. It's time to go. We march along. We smile at birds and share their song. On we trek across the land. Up ahead, we see some sand. Oh boy. What would you call this kind of a landscape? This kind of a place in the world? Do you think you might call it the desert? Yeah, it could be. What's flying in the sky? Can you tell what that is? I think it might be, what do you think, Miss Lissa? What kind of bird do you think that might be?
I think that is an eagle.
An eagle. We have American bald eagles here in Michigan. So they're not super common, but you may have seen one before. A camel pads up to our side. He takes us for a bumpy ride. Oh my, I wouldn't want to be this nature girl, would you? That's not the kind of ride I would want. In tall grass, we creep up slow. All around are buffalo. I see a lot more things, more than just buffalo, don't you? Miss Lissa, what animals do you see?
I see a cheetah.
A cheetah. Where's the cheetah? There's the cheetah.
And I see an ostrich.
An ostrich. Right there.
And some elephants.
Yeah, great big elephants. There's a big one and a baby one.
And zebra.
Zebras. How many zebras? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 zebras.
And I'm not sure if the other ones are antelope or gazelle.
Mm-hmm. Let's see. It's hard to do this when I'm not looking. I think there's an animal that looks a little bit like that called an ibex, maybe? I might be making that up. Miss Jocelyn's not totally sure. All right. Let's see where they go next. See ya, planes. It's been nice. Now we're off to find some ice. A tawny owl. She sees us too. She hoots a question. Who are you? The tundra has snow everywhere. Look how cute, an Arctic hare. Let's see, where's the Arctic hare? Oh, he's very hard to see because he blends right into his environment. That's called camouflage. So he is a rabbit who lives in the Arctic. There's one more stop on our big trip. We've got our compass and our ship. The forest's lush and filled with sound. Look at all this life we've found. Oh, there's so much in this picture too. Do you see a fox in a tree? What about a bear? Are there 2 bears? There's a mama bear and a baby bear getting a piggyback ride. I see a rabbit. Oh, and there's another bear. They must be twins. I see a woodpecker and a butterfly. I see a squirrel and some deer, So many animals. It's hard to leave, but we must go. There's more to see and do and know. Oh, and we get to meet the biomes. So a biome is a community of plants and animals that cover a large area of the earth. The climate, which means how hot or cold it is, how much rain or snowfall there is, helps determine what kind of plants and animals can live in that area. So we've got an aquatic biome and a desert biome, grassland, tundra, and forest. Lots of different areas of the earth that people and animals live, right? Yeah. Okay. Are we a little wiggly? Yeah? Should we maybe stretch ourselves out a little with head, shoulders, knees, and toes? Yeah? Okay. All right. I'm going to back up again. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Good job. Miss Lissa, you can sing too. What should we do now? Should we, let's see, how about, should we sing Twinkle Twinkle? Yeah. All right. So we've got to stretch our hands way up high. Ooh, that's where the stars are, right? Way up high. And way out in front. And sideways. Oh, can you do, oh, this way. And all that way. Oh, good stretching. Okay, ready? We got our twinkles ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Good job. All right. Let's see. How about we sing Open Shut Them, and then we will be back to see you guys again on Thursday. Does that sound good? Okay. I want to let all the grown-ups know that summer reading, the summer reading challenge is going on now. And you can sign up online from our website, or you can go to ltpl.readsquared, and that is our online portal for summer reading this year. And we've got summer reading activities for little ones and summer reading activities for grown-ups and grandmas and grandpas and everyone in between. And we'll have more online activities like this, and as well as lots of fun things that you can do at home and keep track of in order to earn some prizes. Okay, should we do Open Shut Them? Ready? Open, shut them, open, shut them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them, put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them, right up to your chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Good job, friends. All right, Miss Lissa, can we tell who's watching?
I cannot tell who's watching. We have 7 people watching though.
Oh, okay. Can I see the mouse over here for just a minute, so that I wonder if I do it right there, if it will tell me. No, it sure won't. Well, whoever you guys might be, we're glad to see you, and we will see you again on Thursday, we're going to have Storytime Live every Tuesday and Thursday at 10:30. So we'll see you soon.